howdy y'all. Yeah, starting out here, I'm showing you the little table setting they had on the coffee table. It's the full coffee table with the little fireplace and all there, and the little one of the living rooms he has. This is the chef's house, okay? And my oldest boy is renting a room from me. This here is the rest of his living room, all holiday up. Here's me and my son, my oldest boy. And there's the chef's cute little doggy, but my son's claimed him. I've claimed him too. There's the two of them getting the meal together, the chef and my son, sous chef. And then there's my son, all playing around with some rolls over there. They cheated because he had to go to work that night. The chef did. And my son's there fixing up Hawaiian rolls, and we all voted on Hawaiian rolls. He didn't make homemade, but that's fine. I love Hawaiian rolls. And here is my husband sleeping on the couch. Here's the table they set up for us. Some more table. Even a larger view of the table after more food got on there. And we're some real teetotalers, y'all. We had Welch's strawberry grape sparkling juice. And then you go over here, and that's some cut slice canned cranberry sauce. He was going to make homemade, and I'm like, no, I like the slice. It's fine. Don't worry about it. It's good. Now, he did make the casserole, the green bean casserole here. He made everything but the rolls and the cranberry sauce, y'all. And here's the ham. Now, I don't eat ham, but the other folks ate ham. And there's some, yummy eggs there he made up. And this is his marshmallow sweet potato yummies. And these are some mashed taters, which those were so good. And this is some stuffing that got out of the bird's butt. And that's an apple pie, and the other one over there cooling is a pumpkin pie. That's the gravy. And this, guess what we were watching, y'all? It's a very funny sheriff movie by Mel Brooks. I can't remember the name right now, but that was our Thanksgiving movie. That and Spaceballs. And of course the cute little doggy. I love that little dog. He's so sweet. I wanted to show y'all that. Well, thank y'all for watching. Remember, do it God's way, not your way. We had a very delicious meal, y'all. It was good.